Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the another important topic of Beard, which is naturalism. Right, guys? So under this topic, we will cover first of all meaning and history of naturalism, the same way we finished in the idealism. Second, we will discuss about major facts or belief of naturalism. Under the major belief of naturalism, we will discuss metaphysics, epistemology, and axiology. Right, guys? And third, we will discuss about educational contribution of naturalism, educational implications of naturalism. Under the educational implication, again, we will discuss the three things. Aims of education means what should be the aims of education according to naturalism, curriculum, and methods of teaching. Right, guys? Now I start the naturalism. Naturalism basically, according to the naturalism philosophy, according to the this school of thought, nature is everything. Naturalism believes that nature is everything. There is nothing beyond the nature. There is nothing behind the nature. Everything have originated from the nature. Right, guys? But when I was discussing the idealism last Sunday, so what we finished over there, everything has originated from the ideas, right? But here in the naturalism philosophy, naturalism wants to say that everything has originated from the nature. Nature is everything. There is nothing beyond it, nothing behind it, right? Nature is also termed as materialism. Materialism, right? This physical world, material world, this is a naturalism. Another name of a naturalism is materialism. Okay. Further, naturalism says that man should investigate the truth of nature by scientific methods with all his capacities and resourcefulness. Naturalism क्या कहता है? Naturalism ये कहता है everything जो truth है you can find out from the scientific methods. What are the scientific methods? Project method is a scientific method. Heuristic method is a scientific method, right? Demonstration laboratory method is a scientific method. So naturalism wants to say that everything, the truth lies within the scientific method. With the help of a scientific method, you can get all the truth. Next, naturalism does not believe in sentimentalism. Sentiments where he doesn't care about sentiments. Okay, he does not consider that. Spiritualism, supernaturalism, transcendentalism, which we finished in the idealism. Okay, he does not believe in sentimentalism, spiritualism, and supernaturalism. Right, guys? So basically, what is naturalism? Naturalism is a opposite of idealism. It is opposite of the idealism. Okay, the naturalists believe that those who are naturalists, they believe that natural world is the real world. Okay, whatever we are looking in the open eyes, okay, we are looking the ponds, we are looking the river, mountains, objects, we are looking the human beings. Okay, they all are true according to the naturalism. Okay, they believe the natural world is the real world. Naturalism does not believe in the spiritualism. Naturalism think that scientific knowledge is the best knowledge. They do not faith in the existence of soul, God, and spiritual world. They believe that real world is the this world is the materialistic world is the real world, and everything has originated from the matter. Okay. So Jean-Jacques Rousseau, he was the father of the naturalism philosophy. Okay, he was the French philosopher. He gave the naturalism philosophy 300-400 years back. Okay, in the he's a French philosopher. According to this philosophy, the basis of everything has originated from the matter. Okay, naturalism believes that even the mind is a form of matter. Mind has originated from the matter, and the element of matter or synthesis of both. According to the naturalism, only nature is everything, nothing is before and beyond it. right guys? In short, naturalism means belief in nature and return to the nature. There is nothing beyond nature, behind nature, and other than nature, right? So in short, what is a naturalism? According to naturalist philosophy, they believe in the nature only. Jean-Jacques Rousseau was the father of naturalism philosophy. Naturalism is also termed as materialism. There is nothing beyond nature, behind nature, and other than nature. And one very beautiful definition, it was given by the Comenius. He was a naturalist. He has said that one should live in nature, with nature, in the first 7 years of life. Okay. What he says that when the baby born, 7 years of a life, the baby should spend into the nature. That means he should learn each and everything from the nature. Okay. I explain further in the coming slides. Now we discuss about little bit history, meaning, definitions of naturalism. Right, guys? This is the most important. Okay. At least out of a 3 or 4 definitions, you should remember 1 or 2. Okay. Democritus. It is a important name of uh, 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 he's a naturalist. Democritus, what he has said. Democritus has said that living in the company of nature provides one the best experience or education. Okay. He has said that living in the company of nature, it will provide you the best experience. Second definition is Epicurus. Epicurus has said that away from the humdrum of the city life and in the company of the nature is the finest experience, right? Humdrum of life means this is a busy life. Now, this is a busy world. Okay. Epicurus wants to say that, away from the humdrum of the city life and in the company of nature is the finest experience. Means what he wants to say, he wants to say that people should live in countryside rather than city. Okay, guys, you are seeing that, you are looking that many people are coming from the countryside to city. Okay, and city has overloaded. Okay, in a one building of 20 malas, there are number of persons, they come from that it is a overloaded. So they want to say that people should live in the countryside rather than the city side. Okay. Next definition is a Comenius and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. One should live in nature and with nature in the first 7 years of life, because first 7 years of life is the age of nature. It was said by the Comenius and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. You must remember, right, guys? Next, this is an important one. Okay, so learn carefully. Okay, each and every word. This is the most important. This is the base of the naturalism. Actually, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, he was the father of naturalism. He believed that goodness was innate and evils as acquired. Right? Means he wants to say that man is born free. जब बच्चा पैदा होता है, जब बच्चा छोटा होता है, he is free, but everywhere he is in chains. Okay, he is in the chains of family, relatives, उसके बाद state, country, he is in the chains. Or Rousseau has said that civilized man bonds, lives and dies in the state of slavery. Okay, रूसो कहना चाहता है कि हम गुलामों की तरह, मतलब पैदा तो हम होते हैं, पैदा हम एक बॉर्न फ्री पैदा होते हैं हम, लेकिन इस पूरे के पूरे सिस्टम में क्या होता है, हम स्लेवरी गुलामों की तरह हम मर जाते हैं. ओके, तो ही वाज ए इसने रेवोल्यूशंस आ गई थी फ्रांस के अंदर. ओके, ही वाज ए पर्सन ऑफ फ्रांस, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. अगेन समझिए क्या कहता है. रूसो बिलीव्ड दैट, अकॉर्डिंग टू रूसो naturalist philosophy, education does not only mean to memorize or storing information and knowledge. Rather, it is a process which results in development of the child nature and personality internally. Okay, naturalism school of philosophy wants to say that no need to put into the mind of the student lot of information, lot of the knowledge. Okay, the main purpose is to develop the internal personality of the child. This should be the aim of education according to the naturalism philosophy. Right, guys? Because you all are going to become a teacher. Being of a teacher, you should know that what every school of thought says, what idealism school of thought says, what naturalism school of thought says, what pragmatism school of thought says. Because this is all learning. You are looking in the schools and colleges. This is all based upon these philosophies. Okay. Naturalism states that parents are the natural teachers. Okay. Naturalism wants to say that there is no need of a school and colleges. Parents are the natural teacher. Okay. And last one is that this is a very much important 2 to 7 years life. Rousseau has said that this is the age of nature. During this time, the child receives only a negative education. Rousseau wants to say that this is the most important. Many times this question comes, define the negative education. You have to, learn from here. 2 to 7 is the age of nature. During this time, the child receives only a negative education. According to the Rousseau, negative education kya hoti hai? I explain you. Rousseau wants to say that 2 to 7 years of a life, no moral instruction, no verbal learning. Okay. The mind of the child should be left undisturbed till its faculty have developed. The purpose of education at this stage is to develop physical qualities and particularly senses, but not minds. Right, guys? I explain you into the simple terms. रूसो ये कहना चाहता है कि जब बच्चा पैदा होता है 2 से लेके 7 साल तक की जो एज होती है, वो एज उसकी नेचर की एज होती है. ओके. लेट द चाइल्ड लर्न फ्रॉम द नेचर. ओके. तो बीइंग ऑफ ए पेरेंट हम क्या करते हैं? ओके. हमारे घर में बेबीज हैं, राइट? व्हेन द बेबी इज ए 3 years old, 4 year old, right? If anyone comes in the house, we say that, okay बेटा, एक poem सुनाओ. Twinkle twinkle little star, huh? Tell me beta, counting from 1 to 50, right? So basically Rousseau wants to say that there is no need of a such kind of education, no moral instruction, no verbal learning up to the age of a 7. 7 साल तक बच्चे को कोई भी वर्बल लर्निंग और इस तरह की कुछ भी उसके दिमाग में मत डालो, राइट? Rousseau wants to say that because he wants to say that let the faculties should be developed. Okay. Rousseau wants to say that in the age of a 3 or 4, जब आपका बच्चा 3 साल का या 4 साल का होता है, तो सोमोज होते हैं ब्रेन मसल्स. लेट द सोमोज बी डेवलप्ड, बिकॉज व्हेन द ब्रेन, उस टाइम वो जो पीरियड होता है 3 से 4 साल का, 5 साल का, सोमोज डेवलप हो रहे होते हैं. रिसर्च हैज सेड दैट let the brain muscles be developed fully, right? Because there is a lot of millions, billions neuro connections is going on into the brain on that time. What we do, being of a parent and being of a teacher, we give the formal education, formal lesson to the student, and जाने और अनजाने में, right, we become the cause of killing the reasoning power of the student in the age of in a very small age. So Rousseau wants to say that 2 to 7 year age hai, it is a age of nature. Let the child learn from the nature. When your baby is a 6-year-old, 7-year-old, then put your baby into the formal education system. Now you have seen that in the foreign countries, when the baby is a 5 or 6 years old, only they admit into the school and class, right, guys? So this is all about the age of nature. Okay. So next we discuss about what are the fundamental principles of naturalism. Okay. So we have done about little bit history, little bit definitions and meaning of in naturalism. From these we deduce the point. Okay. इसके सिद्धांत क्या हैं? Natural fundamental principles क्या हैं? What are the fundamental principles of naturalism? So according to the naturalism philosophy, reality is of external, right? Matlab everything lies in this world. Okay. This materialistic world is the real world. Okay. Life comes out of a dead matter, right? And it is a sum total of physical and chemical reactions. The universe is a huge machine. Man is a part of that machine and complete machine in himself also. Man, because of his own nature, is the supreme creation of nature. The present life is the real life. Last is unchanging law of nature explains all the events and occurrence of the world, right? So agar hum if we sum up the fundamental principle of naturalism, naturalism wants to say that external world is the real world. Okay, whatever create value, it is created by the man. Okay, the present life is the real life. Okay, if we want to get the knowledge kahan se aati hai, so naturalism wants to say that we get all the knowledge, all things from the nature. Unchanging law of nature explains all the events and occurrence of the world, right guys? Next we discuss about what are the major facts belief of naturalism, right? So under this major facts or belief we will discuss three things. कौन सी हैं? Metaphysics, epistemology, axiology, right? Metaphysics means theory of reality, right? Theory of reality क्या है? ठीक है नेहा मैम? नेहा मैम, theory of reality according to the naturalism. Okay, so look at this. Okay. Okay, what is the epistemology? You are moving, lot of moving you are, huh? Look at, what is the epistemology? Theory of knowledge kya hai according to naturalism. And third we will discuss about what are the theory of values kya hai according to the naturalism, right? Is तीनों को समझो, this is the most important. Okay, all the education B.Ed is based upon this. Okay, so first we discuss about metaphysics. What is the theory of reality according to the naturalism? Okay, हम यहाँ पर ये समझते हैं नेचुरलिज्म के अकॉर्डिंग रियलिटी क्या है. सो फर्स्ट, naturalists believe in the reality of matter. Okay, and they affirm that nature is a matrix. मैट्रिक्स देखी है ना आपने? 3x3 की मैट्रिक्स होती है ना, है ना? 3x3 में क्या होते हैं? 9 होते हैं वो स्क्वायर. तो naturalism wants to say that nature is a matrix and in each box reality lies. Okay, and when we talk about God and religion, so naturalists believe in the reality of nature. Okay, naturalism believe that God क्या होता है? God is a supernatural. Okay, but they don't believe any supernatural reality. They believe that naturalist God is the within nature, right guys? And the concept of self, हम क्या हैं? What we are. Okay, so हमारी जो self है वो क्या चीज है? Concept of self क्या है? तो naturalist क्या कहते हैं? Naturalists are not much interested in the concept of soul of man. The human self is seen by the naturalism as a result of nature. Okay, so they are not interested into the soul, God and other. They wants to say that everything has originated from the nature. According to them, man is a child of the nature. क्या बात है? Great. Man is the child of nature, right? According to the naturalism philosophy, in the evolutionary process that have been at work in the universe so far. So this is all about the reality according to the naturalism. Okay, next we discuss about epistemology. Naturalist क्या समझते हैं? From where the knowledge comes. So according to the naturalism philosophy, we get the knowledge through specific observation and tours and travels, right? Idealism ने क्या कहा था? Idealism said that we get the knowledge from the rational faculties, है ना? Mind क्या चीज है? Into the chamber of the mind all the knowledge lies. Okay, mind is the gateway of the all the knowledge. But according to the naturalist philosophy, they wants to say that we get the knowledge from observation and tour and travel. Okay, the more we will go for the tours and travels, we will get the knowledge. They believe by exploring nature we get knowledge. It also emphasizes on the empirical and experimental knowledge. Okay, they believe that scientific knowledge, experimental knowledge, wo jo knowledge hai, it is a we get the knowledge from there. Okay, according to the naturalist school of thought. Okay, Third, we discuss about axiology, theory of values. Values कहाँ से आती हैं, right? So according to the naturalism, there is no absolute good or evil in this world. Values are created by the human beings, okay, according to the need of and condition of the life. Because need and condition goes on changing, hence values are subjective and relative, right, guys? So I just, I just put on, on. Okay, guys. So value, according to the naturalism philosophy, values are created, okay, but what we have done in the idealism says that man is a discoverer, okay. You have to discover the values from the child mind, but naturalism says that values are created according to the need and conditions of the life. Okay, guys, this is all about the values. Next, we discuss about naturalism in education, right? Means what are the aims of education according to the naturalism, what are the curriculum according to the naturalism, and what are the methods of teaching according to the naturalism, right? So these three things, aims of education, curriculum या syllabus क्या है according to naturalism, and third हम करते हैं methods of teaching क्या होने चाहिए according to the naturalism, right? So first we discuss about aims of education. So guys, you have to remember the first aim of education according to naturalism is self-expression. Okay, what we have done in the idealism, क्या था वहां पे? Self-realization. Okay, but here the self-expression. Okay, as the Rousseau and Comenius has said that let the child learn from the nature. So self-expression. Naturalism says that, okay, let the child learn from the nature, let the child learn from the self-expression, right guys? Abhi bhi guys, Calcutta sites ke andar you will see many universities or schools hain, there is no building, okay, every student is learning, teacher is giving knowledge under a tree, nature ke andar they are learning, okay. Child centered, second aims of education is a child centered. So we should teach according to the level of the child. We should teach to the student, teach to the child according to the interest, aptitude of the child. Means education should be child centered. It should not be teacher centered. Being of a teacher, you should not dominate the class. You should go according to the child level. You should listen to the child. Okay, naturalism wants to say that freedom of the child. एजुकेशन ऐसी होनी चाहिए, देयर शुड बी अ फ्रीडम, बच्चों को फ्रीडम हो, टूर्स एंड ट्रेवल्स हो, राइट? यू हैव सीन दैट इन ए स्कूल में यू हैव सीन दैट ना, स्कूल में देयर इज ए प्री नर्सरी सिस्टम, नर्सरी सिस्टम, ओके, फ्रॉम वेयर दिस सिस्टम हैज कम, दिस सिस्टम हैज कम फ्रॉम दिस स्कूल ऑफ फिलॉसफी, kindergarten system, right? Froebel, he is a naturalist, he introduced this system, kindergarten system. Okay, and you have seen that in every class there is a provisions of a tours and travels, from where this philosophy has come, from the naturalist school of thought, right? Adjustment to the environment. So education should be such type, there should be once adjustment with the environment, it should be progressive, it should be preparation for struggle of life, right? Next we discuss about curriculum, syllabus कैसा होना चाहिए according to the naturalism, right? So naturalism, there is a no rigid curriculum, okay. They says that child learns best in natural setting, and nature is the grand book, okay. Let the child learn from the nature, priority to the physical sciences, they give priority to the physical sciences, means physics, chemistry, geology, botany, mathematics, languages, okay. They says that these topics, these subjects should be taught first, and you have seen that guys in the 6th 7th 8th 9th class, okay. First जो periods होते हैं, starting वाले जो lectures होते हैं, okay, mathematics के होंगे, science के lecture होंगे, है ना, and after the recess, after the break, फिर वो lectures होंगे religion के, music के, okay. This is according to this philosophy, right? And third is method of teaching. Method of teaching कैसे होने चाहिए? Teacher should teach. How the teacher should teach? Teacher should teach with observation method. teacher should teach with the experimental method, playway method, heuristic method, learning by experience method, laboratory method, demonstration method. Okay, from these methods, teacher should teach. All these methods are self-learning method, and as such, they are very effective and purposeful. Right, guys? So now we conclude the contribution of naturalism insignificant in the progressive modern educational thought and practice. All the modern method of teaching techniques, oh, they are origin to this school of philosophy. Right, guys? Whatever the methods we are introducing in the modern education philosophy, this is all taken by the naturalist school of philosophy. Right, guys? I hope this lecture, it is understood to you. We have now, within a 1 or 2 minutes, we discuss what we have done it. First, we have done it about the naturalism, meaning of naturalism, from where this philosophy has come. Jean-Jacques Rousseau was the father of naturalism philosophy. Then we discuss about the definitions, Comenius, Epicurus और Democritus. फिर Jean-Jacques Rousseau की हमने बात की. We discuss about the negative education. What is a negative education? Between the 2 to 7 years old, if we give the formal lesson to the student, this is a negative type of education. Okay. Then we discuss about the major facts and beliefs of naturalism, means metaphysics, epistemology and axiology. ऐसी होनी चाहिए. Next, we discuss about the aims of education, curriculum and methods of teaching according to the naturalism. Right, guys? Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.